Right, I've removed the old CTAC system and upgraded it with, well, this system, the FirePoint Ace Firewatch, whatever it is. I'm just going to call it the FirePoint because that's what the devices say. Got the core point there with its little blinking LED. This was actually one of the older style KAC core points, but I took the module out and stuck it into that one. But I wired the LED the wrong way around and it blinks green instead of red, but it doesn't matter, it looks different, so why not? Smoke detector number 2, well, address 2, and the Squashni with a beacon on top, and if you follow the lovely cable, reach another detector and a beacon. The other detectors are part of the Apollo system. I don't have a fruity air stick with me at the moment, so I shall use just the core point. Let's actually show what I'm doing, might be useful. Hello. Got the beacons there, and the beacon over there. Keeps beeping, and yeah, that's going to start polling in a bit. Reset it. There we go, and it will start polling it. Yes, took about an hour or so to change the whole thing over, but yes, now it's all ready and working. Not exactly comply with the supply, but yeah, it's plugged in, so it wouldn't really matter anyway. But yeah, that's it currently doing its little thing.